Hello, Ago. Do you know the names of the days of the week in Ghana? Oleboni acho Gbii le Agbɛii Gamni. That is our lesson for today. Today we're going to learn the names of the days of the week in Ghana. Omaka se boni acho Gbii le Agbɛii ye Gamni. No iwo kofi klaloe. Ani woje shishi. Yo. Omakwe boni acho Gbii Agbɛii ye blofomi clen. That is the names of the days of the week in English first. And then we will give you the names in Ghana. Ready? So in English we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday again. Okay? Ewo blofwe Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yo bakwe boni woyole ye gamling. Now we want to learn the names of the days in Ghana. So I'll say the English and then give you the Ghana equivalent. Machegbe ye blofumling keke inchombo boni achole ye gamling. Waya ofe klalo yo hani waya mo. Sunday Hogba. Aloko small obaje shishkeje Monday. We'll start from Monday. Monday Ju Tuesday Ju for. Please try and repeat after me. We'll find a new Kenyense. Kemo Kenyense. Repeat it after me, okay? So Tuesday, Ju for. Wednesday, sure. Okay. I'm gonna wear Thursday, so. Friday, soha. Okay, soha. Saturday, ho. Try and say it slowly. Ho. Okay, Saturday, ho. And Sunday, hogba. Sunday, hogba. Nyaha what you are. We'll take a quick recap, okay? We'll start from Monday through to Sunday again. Shall we do it? We're going to be a little bit faster this time, so try and catch up. And I know you will. Okay, so we're starting from Monday through to Sunday. We'll start keje Monday niji keashi Sunday niji hogba ekom. Okay, so you're standing by. This time we're going to be quick, so try and keep up. Okay, Monday, Ju. Tuesday, Ju for. Wednesday, sure. Thursday, so. Friday, soha. Saturday, ho. Sunday, hogba. Okay, I hope you've managed to catch up, and I hope you've learned something new today. Or if you knew it already, just leave a comment to let us know. If you've learned something new, leave a comment and let us know. Keju kasino ku ye ni kase monem ni ofa ni ohani wole. She comment ni ohani wole. Agbene hu inyeminu budai togba shonke ke so here Gbii Oshan. If you're happy and you've learned something new and you find this video beneficial, try and share it and let somebody else know what we're doing here. Oh, you are done. Next episode there, we're going to teach you a song that would help you to remember the names of the days of the week in Ga quicker and fast. On I Speak Ga, we promote the speaking, learning, reading, and writing of our beautiful Ga language. Come and join the family and let's do it together. God bless you. Bye bye. Abanabu.